What is up, you guys? Today we are back out here in the beautiful Charleston, South Carolina area. Haven't been to this hole in probably 4 months, 4.5 months, almost 5 months. It's been a while. So right here, I got my kayak, 2 of my rods, tripod, bag, bait bucket. For the bait of choice today, we chose shrimp. The reason why we're going with shrimp, because, well, it's not shrimp season, but redfish love to eat shrimp. So that's the whole reason why I chose shrimp over mud minnows, because shrimp are better. And yes, there's a lot of bait fish popping right now. So I want to go ahead and get rigged up, set you guys on the GoPro, set you guys on the tripod, right over there, and I'm gonna go ahead and catch a fish because they are jumping for joy right now. Fish on, guys. What could it be? A nice trout. Nice little trout. Little trout, look at that little guy. Crushed it. Trout bite is on fire. Get this. All right, see you, buddy. There you go. So I was gonna go set up a bottom rig, which means the bottom rig, you're just gonna throw it on the bottom. And that trout just came up and hammered it right as soon as I set it down on my sand spike. Just crushed it as soon as I set it down. He was ready for it. He was a nice little, maybe 13.5. So a nice little trout, not a keeper. But let's go trying to catch another fish. Usually Joel, my good buddy, he'll be out here helping me film right now, but unfortunately, reel all the way and just pop. And that way the fish is like, okay, there's a fish nearby jumping, and they realize it's my cork that's popping. That's the whole purpose of a popping cork. See? We got a fish on. That pop. That pop. And we managed to hook up a nice fish. Because all we did was just pop it. It's a nice. Oh, it's a little red. A little red. Little red. There's some big ones in here. We got a little red on. So what we're gonna do now. So hook them perfect. Now we're just gonna pick them up. Nice little redfish. Now we need just a flounder. Complete the inshore song. A little redfish right there. What's up, guys? What's up? What we got here? Nice little trout. Right here. Oh gosh. Nice little trout. There he is. Good little trout.